Okay, what's up, everybody? I don't normally do a video in the morning, but I'm going to do one here just real quick. It's a little bit after 9 a.m. Central Standard Time here in Texas. I said yesterday I wasn't convinced that the price decline was finished, and it's still early in the day, so we'll just see how everything goes. But I think that we could see maybe 4300s. I don't like to talk about price. I don't trade that way. For those of you that follow me and new people that are watching my channel, I don't, especially entering a trade, I don't look at price. Almost all traders I know look at price to determine entry, but I don't do that. It's just not my style. Now, once I'm into a trade, of course, then yeah, I look at price to exit. Of course, that goes without saying. But I do think it's possible we could see maybe 4300s. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen today. Right now, just I haven't taken the screenshot yet, but when I do, but right now we're trading at 44.48 on the S&P 500 futures. If it breaks below, like let's say 44 or 42 today, kind of thing, if it gets below that trend line that everybody's watching, the 50-day moving average kind of thing, I don't really trade that way either. I don't bother myself too much with trend lines. I'm not saying they're not important, and 50-day moving averages, all that stuff. I know a lot of people trade that way, but I just have a different style of trading. Those kind of things really don't impress me one way or the other. I'm not saying they're not important, but it's just not my particular style. But since a lot of people trade that way, I just want to say real quick here as I finish up this video real fast this morning. I do think we'll get into the low 4400s. So, like 4420, somewhere right around there maybe. I don't really know. It doesn't really matter to me. Like I said, I don't trade based on price. I don't enter positions based on price. But just kind of looking at the action, I think that's possible. It hasn't happened yet, so nothing's guaranteed, of course. But that's what I feel like it could happen. Yeah, just looking at, I said back, like all the way back on August 12th, I said we were going to see a significant decline in price. Hasn't really materialized yet, but it looks like it could. Also said August 30th that we've had so many red days here, and I think a couple days ago I said expect more red candlesticks, which yesterday wasn't. Yesterday was a big, fairly big green day. Today so far is looking like it wants to be. The market looks like it wants to sell off more than buy. But it's early days, as they say. We got a lot of time left in this session for the rest of the day, so we'll see what happens. Buyers could come rushing back in. You know how it is. It's all good either way. But right now, I am definitely not inclined to go long. And even if it comes back today and finishes above its open, I don't think this thing is done. I do not think price decline is done. I could be proven wrong, but I think there's more price deterioration to happen. We shall see which way this thing goes, but that's my take for now, guys. I think I'm going to wait this one out today. I'm not going to take a long position, even if it comes all the way back up and goes green today. This thing is not looking healthy to me. I think we're in for more price decline. A few days back, I said bloodbath. Man, I think that's still going to happen. And I put out like I think 3-4 days ago, whatever. I put out a video on the horrible history of Septembers, or the horrible September history. And the least of those Septembers was like 4% decline, and we haven't had that yet. I think we've had like 2.8. So if we do get a 4% decline, that puts us, I think, somewhere just like in the high 4300s. Now, that doesn't mean it has to do that, but that's kind of the area I'm looking at. Low 4400s, high 43s. It could even get significantly lower than that. But again, like I said, I don't really target prices so much. I just trade what the market gives me. But I know a lot of people want to know a price, and then they come back and tell me how wrong I am. It's hilarious. The trolls coming. Of the out of the last 7 or 8 trading days, almost all of them have been, probably most of them have been profitable days for me. The trolls never come and tell me, great job, great job. They only come on the one day that I'm wrong, It's hilarious. That's how the world is. They love to chew you up and try to spit you out. I don't really care. Haters will be haters. But yeah, that's my take, guys. Quick here this morning. I think we're in for more red. I think the market's not done going down. I think we're going to see low 4400s, high 43s minimum. Either way, I'm going to trade whatever the market gives. But today, I'm definitely not taking a long position no matter what this market does. Okay, guys and gals, we'll talk to y'all real soon again later on today when this thing is done.